Hello, good evening. Once again, this Danceville YouTube channel. I'm vlogging inside Falcon Supermarket at Binmamod. I'm deliver with fresh chicken here, and also the other.
Only manual.
Also the other brands. Finish this Falcon Binmamod delivery is going to Bin Omran Falcon and New Salata and Shopwise and Depot also spirit to deliver today. Only fresh chicken at my house is today is all delivered to New Falcon Binmamod. Finish delivery in Falcon Binmamod, going to New Falcon Mansura and Falcon New Salata. Then finish, I going to deliver to Depot Binmamod and going to Shopwise also mga kawalwal to all deliver the fresh, all chicken fresh, all parts of fresh chicken delivered today at Shopwise at Depot and also to all at Falcon Supermarket. Today I'm here inside the Falcon Supermarket at Binmamod and checking and counting for the delivery today of fresh chicken kawalwal. Then I finish this, I'm going to Bin Omran and also to New Salata Falcon and Depot and last to Shopwise Supermarket and Philippine store. Here I'm here inside the Falcon. The two Falcon Mudir is here checking all the stock, all the fresh chicken delivery. I'm here today. I'm vlogging today. Kawalwal. I'm here inside the Falcon Supermarket of Binmamod brands. Also deliver today our fresh chicken product. And next delivery is to Falcon Bin Omran and New Salata. And here I'm here inside. Here the fish area and all vegetable. Coming here, see the all fresh fruits. And I'm checking for the Atomy product also here inside Falcon Binmamod. Here the Atomy product, toothpaste. So come here now at New Falcon Supermarket and buy. Yes, bro.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good, me too, I'm good.
Yeah. Come now at Falcon Supermarket at Binmamod. Buy now and grab it. The fresh chicken here, all parts of chicken is here. Thighs, wings, legs, gizzard, liver, mens, thighs, and drumstick. All is available here mga kawalwal. So also don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe and hit the bell button and subscribe and likes mga kawalwal at Danceville YouTube, Danceville vlog channel. Okay, bye bye. And here she's counting now my fresh chicken delivery and checking with this two model at Falcon mga kawalwal. And this together Kawalwal Rosinda and Kawalwal Roning. Okay, bye-bye mga Kawalwal. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe and likes. Bye-bye. Thank you.